Yalla.
All right, me and Yanah were introduced to studio. She came around to studio that I work at, right? And then she was introduced to me. And someone had a beautiful voice. They were like, you two, if we mix your voices together, we'll create a bomb.
Okay.
And it will explode to the world. And we're like, okay. And then we started working on covers that are going to come out pretty soon.
So which means you got a lot of projects that you are put in your pocket. You don't want to let them out to the people so that they can hear you.
At this we've got a lot of.
You are working on that.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I'm working on projects, I've got songs that were supposed to come opened up a singles collection.
Okay.
But due to technical issues and also once I've been for example, we've got Tusayende.
All right.
Yakazongonzi ngaibude iri single.
Okay.
And we've got Maggots. And we've got Good Vibe.